The last episode ended with Zayan, Alina, and Rayaan finding the floating gear staircase. Now let's see where it leads. Int floating gear staircase Knights trio walks up the stairs. At the top, the air shimmers like heat waves and a massive door stands before them. It looks ancient, huge, ornate, fashioned from bronze and etched with strange symbols. Alina looks at it uneasily. Alina ye darwaza, human dek raha. Zayan moves forward, reading the inscription. Zayan kisi sedos dikhaate tu pehal. Use dak lina chahi. Ulina what? Does it mean? Zayan translates, Zayan only those who know themselves may pass. As if an answer, the door opens on its own, inviting them in. FLASHBACK anywhere or inside the door. Now a massive room filled with mirrors set in all directions. Their reflections stare back, mocking. FLASHBACK. Endeth trio steps through the door into a twisting labyrinth of mirrors. They are disoriented. Each turn reveals a new set of reflections, each showing a different version of themselves. Older, younger, broken, powerful. Ranye sab hum hain. ... Lick it. He touches a mirror and his hand goes through. It's only their reflections that move, trapped in the mirrors. Real them are free to walk around. Alina, it's a good thing we came together. Otherwise, we could have gotten lost. They walk deeper into the labyrinth. Suddenly, the mirrors begin to shift. One moment they are here, the next they are separated. Different mirrors, different corridors. Zayan, Alina, and Rayaan are alone. Zayan's trial. The warrior within Zayan finds himself face to face with another version of himself. He looks similar yet different, more confident, fearless, but also colder, ruthless. Mirror Zayan. Tell me, brother, how does it feel? All this time running, hiding, pretending. Zayan shakes his head, disgusted. Zayan, stop it. Who are you? Mirror Zayan didn't. You recognize yourself, your darker self, your hidden self, the one that I was. You could have been me if you stopped caring about everyone. If you embraced your truth. Zayan takes a step back, disgusted by the man he is looking at. Zayan, don't want your power. I would rather lose than win without my heart, without my soul. Mia Zayan scoffs and attacks. Zayan dodges and fights back, but every time he strikes, he feels a jolt of pain in himself. It's like he is fighting himself. The other Zayan falls, defeated. Zayan looks down at himself. His hand is bleeding. He touches it, surprised to feel the pain. Zayan, so it is real. The pain, the hurt. He looks back at Mirror Zayan, who gets up, dusting himself off. Mirror Zayan. Now you understand what it means to be strong. To be truly strong. The other Zayan disappears, dissolving into the mirrors. Zayan looks around, confused. The room is changing. The walls are closing in. He tries to run, but there is no escape. Zayan screams. Meanwhile, Alina's trial. The doubt Alina finds herself facing a dark reflection of herself. This Alina is older, tired, bitter, dressed in rags with haunted eyes. She sits alone, shoulders slumped. Alina, what happened to you? But Alina, what happened to us? We had everything. Love, power, respect. And I threw it all away because of doubt. I doubted myself, my abilities, my worth. I doubted Zayan. I pushed him away when he needed me the most. She looks down at her hands, which are wrinkled and old. Mirror Alinano, look at me. I am all alone. No one wants to listen to an old, broken woman like me. Alina reaches out to touch her reflection, but her hand goes right through. Alinano, don't do this, Lee. You're stronger than this. Don't give up. Mirror Linabut, what if I'm not? What if I'm not strong enough? Alina kneels before her reflection. Alina will be, you will find a way. I promise. Mirror Alina dissolves into dust. Alina closes her eyes, tears streaming down her face. Rayaan's trial. The Crown Ryan is confronted by a regal figure wearing a crown and wielding a scepter. It's Rayaan. but not as they know him. This one is older, more powerful, but also lonelier, more feared. Mirror Rayaan, the little prince, has grown up. Do you like what you see? Power, respect, fear? All of it is yours for the taking. Rayaan bows his head. Rayaan, did you do it? How did you become so powerful? Mirror Rayaan be embracing my destiny. I took what was rightfully mine and crushed anyone who stood in my way. Rayaan looks up at the crown. Rayaan thought sounds lonely. The crowned Rayaan laughs humorlessly. Mirror Rayaan, but you can avoid that fate. You can choose to walk a different path, a peaceful one. You can share the throne with your friends, rule with love instead of fear. But then you will always be second best. You will never know what you could have been. Rayaan thinks for a moment, then he shakes his head. Rayaan, I would rather walk with them than rule without them. Crowned Rayaan disappears, dissolving into the mirrors. Rayaan looks around. The room is changing again. Meanwhile, somewhere else in the labyrinth, Zayan, Alina, and Rayaan reunite in the center of the maze. They embrace, shaken but unharmed. They look around. The mirrors are gone, replaced by a floating pedestal with a glowing mirror shard. It seems to call to them. Zayan steps forward and picks it up. It feels warm in his hands, almost alive. This isn't just a key. It's a warning. He turns it over in his hand. Etched on the back are the words. Those who know themselves will find a way. Suddenly, a new path opens up before them. A spiral of light leading upward. The trio holds hands and steps inside. And that's the end of part 2. What will the mirror shard do? Will they finally escape the labyrinth? Or will they get trapped forever? Find out next time. But before that, show some love. Hit that like button and comment below to let us know what you think. Subscribe for more such adventures. Until next time, goodbye.